Hey guys, it's Brock here, and we are here at the Gold Coast. I'm at the holiday park right now, but we are checking out birds. Little parrots right here. Look at that. Hello. Hello. Bird. Look at its blue tails. There's so many colours on there. There's blue, red, yellow, green. Bird, don't antagonize it like that. And you know what? I might do something. I might get Honey to meet the birds. How about that? Do you want Honey to meet the birds? Okay. He's going to meet the birds in the next video. Alright guys. See ya. Excuse me? Oh well.